at number 21, and we're still talking being comfortable but looking good, and this is the white tennis shoe. A brilliant idea to bring into a capsule wardrobe. You could have, for example, a pair of Converse made out of kind of canvas tennis shoe. You could have a leather pair, but it's pretty much a nice, crisp, clean, white pair of tennis shoes that you don't wear with socks necessarily. You can wear invisible socks, which, by the way, is a good addition for your wardrobe. Invisible socks are very low ankle socks. Often you can have a great outfit, great shoes, and then you see this stocking above. That is not a good look. You don't want to do that. So look for invisible socks. They just cover the toes and just cover the bottom of the heel. So at number 21 is the white tennis shoe. Great to wear, for example, with a leather jacket, your white t-shirt, your skinny jeans, and a pair of white Converse, even with the colored laces if you want to add a little bit of splash of color there. So comfortable, so versatile. Even in summer, where if you like those beautiful sailor kind of striped tennis dresses, that with a pair of white tennis shoes looks absolutely beautiful. So number 21, moving forward, walking tall, the white tennis shoe.